Well, how do you do, failers? I am back here at the cowboy compound with all the failers, my posse, and me and Papa Bear just got a new toy. What do we got, Papa Bear?
We bought a motorcycle lift, 1,000-pound motorcycle lift at Harbor Freight. Drove all over the place to try to find it, but we finally found it.
A new brap table.
What
do you think of that, failers?
Don't take much to excite us anymore.
So we got a cycle table lift, which is freaking awesome.
You want me to get you a stand?
Cole!
What's going on, buddy?
I thought you were Ronnie, Ronnie Mac for a second.
Maybe
Look at this.
A little bit.
Look at this, fellers. The Screaming Eagle. Didn't you say this thing might be for sale?
It is currently for sale.
I'm contemplating getting rid of that one. That's a 2003 CR125, fresh top, bottom end, Weisco piston, chain sprocket. I got different gear ratios up at the house. I mean, the bike's pretty much brand new. Frame needs polish, but that's an $8 bottle of polish. Whoever buys it can handle that. Starts first kick. You can let it sit for 3 months. Go out, prime it, it'll hit right off. That's a good bike. It was built. It was built good.
What are you asking for it?
32. Come with $3 grand, 29. I'll take it.
They are, failers. You want a replica Ronnie Mac's bike and a 125? Hit up Casey. Hit me up in the description, and I'll hook you guys up with info to get in contact with him. All right, boys are getting a bike.
Do you want me to release it?
There it is, Daniel. What do you think, fellers?
You want me to wait?
I go. We got straps. I need a strap.
Go ahead.
We need one. Go in. There you go. We need a bucket or a stand, straps. I'm not gonna sit on the couch.
Now it looks like we know what we're doing around here.
Yeah. You get an air piston for it.
You let it down? So what are we doing today, Daniel?
So we have to change the spokes because they're loose, and when I go to ride, the tire will fall off and make me fall.
Who's doing that for you?
You. So I gotta unscrew this nut so we can.
For the brake.
Yep.
There it is. This is Dangerous Dan's Christmas present, and I'm gonna relace the spokes today for the wheel. All right, I just ripped out all the old spokes. We got the new spokes here, and we're gonna start relacing. And then I have a wheel stand to do it. Alright, failers, well, we just laced up the wheel and we tightened down the spokes. Apparently we were off four spokes. So ripping it down and we're gonna start over. Once we get it started again, I'll show you what I did wrong. It's tedious. Alright, failers. Talk about a pain in the butt relacing a wheel. I don't know, there's something with this TTR with the hub and stuff, it's something a little different. you're supposed to go every 4, and I actually went 5 to cross. Anyway, I took it apart, what, 4 times? 5 hours later, and we got it laced up. We got everything tightened, and we're gonna get ready here and mount the tire, and then Dangerous Daniel is gonna take it for a test ride and let the nipple seat, and then we'll finish tightening it up. But as of right now, everything is torqued down to about what it needs to be, just by finger strength. So, there, you want to check out my job for being balanced. All right, Daniel, did we get it on?
Yep. Got everything on. Got the brake.
Spokes look good. Papa, that stinking bike lift did the job, ain't?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Holy smokes. Bear with me here, self-filming. Yeah, we did a good job. A little frustrating trying to get this new wheel relaced, but we got it done. If you guys like this content and want to continue to see more of us wrenching and working on bikes, leave a comment, hit the like button. That helps the channel quite a bit. And yeah. So what do you say, fellers? What do you tell the people that don't watch our videos or watch our videos, but subscribe?
Subscribe. Don't miss out. You have to subscribe.
Nothing's wrong with subscribing.
Right. All right. Well, until next time, what do we say?
Yee yee.
Yee yee.